Need to staple up to 200 sheets? This monster stapler can handle it. Notebooks, booklets, thick reports. Stapled clean, no sweat. Yup, it even reaches the middle of an A3 paper. Perfect for pro-level projects. And here's the kicker. You get 3 boxes of staple wires free. Choose your power. 23.8 for 40 sheets, or 23.10 for 80 to 100 sheets. Your pick, your style. No need for brute force. Just press and done. Get it now. Staple smarter. Work faster. Links in the description. Like, share, and subscribe.